The wait is over. Samsung is back with its latest flagship lineup, the Galaxy S25 series. Let's dive into what makes these phones stand out. Please support us by hitting the subscribe button. The Galaxy S25 comes again in three variants: the S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. The S25 has a compact 6.2-inch display, while the S25 Plus features a larger 6.7-inch screen. Both carry over the same sizes as last year. The S25 Ultra, however, introduces a sleek new look with slightly rounded corners, giving it a more comfortable grip. And guess what? The bezels are now 15% smaller, making the display even more immersive. Under the hood, all three models are powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, promising faster performance and seamless multitasking. When it comes to cameras, the S25 series introduces a major upgrade with a new 50MP ultra-wide sensor, a big leap from last year's 12MP. The rest of the cameras remain unchanged, but the improvement in ultra-wide shots is impressive. However, the real game changer is in the software. Samsung has replaced Bixby with Google Gemini, a powerhouse of AI capabilities. You can now control your phone entirely with voice commands, whether it's finding photos, searching scenes and videos, or even setting calendar dates. Another incredible feature is AI Select. Need to grab something off your screen? Just rub your finger over the area and AI Select will detect it. Whether it's saving a screenshot, copying text, or even creating a GIF from a video, the Samsung Galaxy S25 series truly bridges cutting-edge hardware and revolutionary software. Tell us, what's your favorite feature in the new S25 lineup? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.